Hi everyone, I'm AlphaGun. Today I'm going to show you a really bomb recipe called smoked cherry Dr. Pepper chicken lollipop. We're going to start out using this chicken drumstick. Alright, let's start out with these chicken. Get a really sharp knife. Basically cut around the legs at the end right here. All the way across. All the way across. Try to pull it back a little bit. It didn't cut. There you go. You need a towel. You grab the towel. Just basically pull it off. And from there, you can pull it down to make it look like a kind of like a lollipop effect. Look right here. There you go. Want to do another one? Cut it all the way around. Grab a towel, yank the back off. Alright, after you kind of got it looking like a lollipop, there's always a bone in the chicken right here. You gotta find that bone down here and try to yank it out. Give it a good wiggle. Oh, there you go. I just felt it got loose. And there you go. It just popped. Here's the second piece. You see that bone right there? See, that's the bone that we're looking for, everyone. Give it a good wiggle. Oh, that one's a snap right now. I like that. Once it's a good wiggle, give it a good yank. Pull it out. There you go. And from here on, the next step is to cut the tendons. That's where the scissor comes in. Here's the tendon part. You want to cut it out. So we're cutting the tendons off right here. No one sees that piece, you know. Alright, after cutting the tendons, this is what it should look like. And from there on, we're going to do a rub on it. I got my white special blend right here. You can put whatever blend you want on it, whatever seasoning, spice, barbecue. So I'm just gonna roll it around, give it a good little mix, shake it a little bit. So coat it real good. It should look like this. Right here. Okay, I put some butter on here. You can use a bar of butter if you want. But the next step is to slap some foil on the end of the drumstick. This is the important part. Mostly to not make the drumstick look all dark and black. Keep it nice and pretty for presentation. Once you get all the foil wrapped on the drumstick, here's what it looks like. And from here on, I got my smoker set at 300. So let's go outside, everybody, and put this on a smoker. Alright, this is my smoker. I'm using a Traeger today to smoke these chicken. Here goes the chicken lollipop going through the Traeger. I got it set for 300. And I'm using Traeger cherry pellets to smoke these chicken. Alright, while the chicken's cooking in the smoker, we're gonna do the glazing dip. We're gonna start off with 20 ounce of cherry Dr. Pepper, 1 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of W sauce, half cup of cider vinegar, half cup of water, half teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cherry jam, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we're gonna put it all in the pan and just stir it up. Alright, keep stirring it until it reduces down to like a syrup. You want to keep it on high, the heat on high, keep stirring. It's that thick sauce that we're looking for. Now that I'm done stirring, and this is the texture that I want from the sauce, I turn my heat off. Just let it cool down. I want to dip some chicken in here. Okay, I have the chicken in here for 2 hours, so it's time to check it. We need the temperature to be at least 165. So the chicken's done. I'm going to take it out, get ready for the dipping process. Now for the glazing process, let's take off the foil. Nice color on it. It's not burnt. Nice color on it. So now we're going to dip it. Don't be shy, dip the whole thing in. Look at that sauce, everyone. Just look at that, man. It's so beautiful. Not done yet. We're gonna take a brush. Yes, we are. We're gonna brush that bone too. Gives that bone some color. Nice. Dip the second one. Brush on the bone. Alright, now do the rest to all of them. Now that you got the chicken glaze, look how beautiful it looks. Don't that look amazing? You gotta try this recipe out. We're not done yet, everybody. So it's gonna go back into the smoker at 300 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out, serve it. It's ready to be eaten. Okay, here it is, everybody. This is the cherry Dr. Pepper chicken lollipop.
Dr. Pepper?
Yep, great recipe to try it out with your friends and family at a barbecue. It's always turning out good. The only thing we gotta do is test it now. So let's take a bite and try it out.
That sounds pretty good.
It's good. No, I'm not lying, it's good. It's hot though, but
It's hot.
Flavor's on point.
It's really good.
And this thing's good. Whoa, that was really good. Thank you for watching. I'm AlphaGun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe out. I'm out.
Bye-bye.